So I'm standing here on the very edge of the west coast. And there's the Pacific Ocean. And that island right there, that's Santa Cruz Island. It's one of the many channel islands. And I wanted to show you guys now where you can see it, because when we shove off tomorrow, there's going to be a bunch of marine layer and just a whole bunch of fog. So you're not going to see much, but you can see it from the coastline. It's only 17 miles away, so check this out.
They're like inches in the water. Yeah. I love the big waves coming in, guys.
We're not in Hawaii.